Hey guys and gals, Dale Thompson here from Dale G. Thompson Internet Marketing LLC and Work with Dale Online, which is my corporate blog, and also my YouTube channel. And today what I wanted to share with you are 5 tips or 5 ways that will help you recruit more people into your biz and build it bigger and better. And the mistake that I see a lot of people make, especially brand new people that are getting into the internet marketing world, is they join a business, right, and they promote it from one angle, right, whether it be the product or whether it be the number, how much money you can make or, whatever it is. And they talk about, oh, you can make so much money, or this product is the greatest thing since sliced bread. And, if the person, doesn't bite at it, they're kind of lost. They have no, they just walk away with their tail between their legs and say, okay, this person isn't interested, right? There are many different ways that you can promote your business opportunity and recruit people, because not every person is, going to be recruited in the same way. Some people will come into a business because they like the product. They're product-centric people. They want to know, they want to be able to feel comfortable in the product. Other people, especially those that are big recruiters, right? Usually the type A people, right, that are looking to make a lot of money. They're more driven by money, by comp plan, right? And others are driven by training. What what kind of training is there? How are my new people going to get trained? Am I going to have to do the training? Or is there training set up that I could just plug them into? So here's the deal. There are 5 different ways you can promote your product. You can promote it from a product standpoint, and that's, for me, that's a big thing for me, right? When I look at a program to possibly join, is the product consumable? In other words, does the company have products that stand on their own? In other words, would someone that I bring into the business use the product regardless of whether they could make money or not, right? Because those are the type of companies that people are going to stay long term, because they use the product. If they like the product, they're not going to leave because they like the product, right? Regardless of whether they make money or not, if the product's affordable and it gives them value, they're going to stay regardless of whether they're making money or not. So that's the number one way that you can promote. Some people, it doesn't matter about the product. It might be the comp plan. Maybe come at it from a standpoint of what's unique about your comp plan, right? What parts of the comp plan allow them to maximize their potential earnings? Okay. The third thing would be from a standpoint of training. What training does the company have set up that you can bring new people in and plug into? Because the last thing that you want to do is spend all your time training your new people. How are you going to build a large organization and make it duplicatable for your people that you bring in if there's not training in place that you can plug them into? If you got to do it all yourself and then train your people to do it all themselves, it's going to take you a very long time to build a big organization, right? So maybe coming at it from a standpoint of training might be a way to bring someone in. the next topic I want to discuss would be support. What kind of support is available, right? Is there a Facebook group where people can go and get their questions answered in a reasonable amount of time? The last thing, and what a lot of people overlook, is testimonials. Because let's just take one example for a minute. What is the biggest, especially if you're talking to someone who's brand new in the industry, what's the biggest question that they have coming in when you're speaking to them about joining your business? What's the biggest question in their mind? Regardless of what they tell you, what do you think's going through their head? And if you answered, can I make money at this? You're probably 100% right. They're thinking, can I do this? If I invest the money, can I actually make money with this program? So if you can show them testimonials of new people just like them that maybe have never made money online before, that are having success, excuse me, with the program, that may be a way to bring those new people into your organization and feel comfortable that, yeah, if they plug in and they roll their sleeves up and do the work, they can actually succeed. So we have, you can attack it from a product standpoint, you can attack it from a comp plan standpoint, you can attack it from a training standpoint, you can attack it from a support standpoint, or you can attack it from a testimonial standpoint. And guys, not these, when I say testimonials, don't use these testimonials of guys making, $5,000 a month, $10,000 a month. Yeah, they're great, but you know what? 9 times out of 10, these are people that have been marketing for years and have big lists that they can market to. Yeah, it's easy for them to go out, join a new program, and in the first month or two, start to make 5 figures a month. Because they have a 5,000, 10,000 member list that they've cultivated over the years. So that really doesn't mean much, okay? Unless you're dealing with a big fish, a big marketer, right? Then, a testimonial like that might mean something. But to the average person, that's really not doing them a service, to be very honest with you. They want to hear about the new person coming in, that maybe has never made money online before and is actually succeeding with your particular business. So there you have it, guys. 5 ways that maybe some of them you've never thought of before, that hopefully this video, these ways will help you in recruiting more people, bringing more people into your business, and share this with your team and help them so that it will help them in building their teams bigger, which in turn will help you build your business bigger, and everybody wins because everybody puts more money in their bank accounts. And guys, if you're interested in finding out more about the program that I am promoting, well, you see it here, the marketing system that we use. There's a link on the page here. If you're on the page that this video is going on, or if you look in the description on my YouTube channel, there'll be a link in the description that'll take you to this page that you can find out more. So with that being said, guys, I appreciate each and every one of you. And for those of you that received an email from me that brought you to this video, I appreciate each and every one of you. If this business is not for you, that's fine. No hard feelings. The main purpose behind doing this video is to help you to maybe recruit more in whatever business you're passionate about. That's the main idea behind why I do these videos, is to help you. You've entrusted me with your email address, so in turn, I try to do these videos to help you create the income that you want with whatever business you choose to promote, whether it be to work with me or to work with whatever business you choose. So with that being said, guys, I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much. Again, my name is Dale Thompson, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.